Welcome to this tutorial on best practices for Uniswap SDK, a comprehensive guide to help you navigate the world of decentralized finance. Uniswap is a popular decentralized exchange protocol that enables the trading of cryptocurrencies in a trustless and permissionless manner. The Uniswap SDK is a software development kit that allows developers to build applications on top of the Uniswap protocol. To get started, it is essential to understand the key concepts of Uniswap, including liquidity pools, trading pairs, and smart contracts. Liquidity pools are pools of funds locked in a smart contract that provide liquidity to the market. Trading pairs are the pairs of tokens that can be traded on the platform. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement written directly into lines of code. When building applications with the Uniswap SDK, it is crucial to follow best practices to ensure the security and efficiency of your application. First, make sure to handle errors and exceptions properly, as this will help prevent unexpected behavior and potential losses. Second, optimize your code for gas efficiency, as high gas costs can lead to slow and expensive transactions. Another critical aspect of building with the Uniswap SDK is to implement proper risk management strategies. This includes setting limits on the amount of funds that can be traded, implementing stop-loss orders, and monitoring market conditions. By doing so, you can protect your users from significant losses and provide a more robust trading experience. In terms of practical examples, let's consider a simple trading bot that uses the Uniswap SDK to buy and sell tokens. The bot would need to connect to the Uniswap protocol, retrieve the current market price of the token, and then execute a trade based on a predefined strategy. To implement this, you would need to use the Uniswap SDK's API to interact with the protocol, handle errors and exceptions, and optimize the code for gas efficiency. Finally, it is essential to stay up to date with the latest developments and updates to the Uniswap protocol and SDK. This includes monitoring the official Uniswap documentation, participating in the community forum, and attending webinars and workshops. By doing so, you can ensure that your application remains secure, efficient, and compliant with the latest regulations and best practices. In conclusion, building applications with the Uniswap SDK requires a deep understanding of the underlying protocol, as well as a commitment to following best practices. By handling errors and exceptions properly, optimizing code for gas efficiency, implementing risk management strategies, and staying up to date with the latest developments, you can create robust and efficient applications that provide value to your users. With the Uniswap SDK, the possibilities are endless, and by following these best practices, you can unlock the full potential of decentralized finance.